Welcome back. In this video, we're going to determine infinite limits for a given function. And in our exercise, the function is given as -1 over x minus 4. And the limit point is going to be 4. So we're going to be either on the left of 4 or on the right of 4. And this was the notation for it. 4 superscript minus 1 means like you're approaching 4 from the left. And 4 superscript plus sign, meaning that you're approaching 4 from the right. And the function is a rational function. And let's see what's going on here. Let's start. As x approaches 4 from the left, that means the numbers that I pick should be like 3.999 and something similar to that. And let's look at this ratio. You are dividing -1 by 3.999 minus 4. First of all, that difference is going to be a minus number, but it's going to be very small because the difference is going to take you all the way to -0.000 all the way. And -1 divided by a very small number is going to shoot you all the way to infinity. If you want, you can make a table of values. You can choose your x's to be like 3.9, 3.99, 3.999, and you can just keep adding 9s. I think you can see the pattern that every time you add 1 9 to the 3.999, the value of this ratio gets bigger and bigger. Eventually, it increases without a bound. So we conclude that the limit is infinity. All right, let's think about the same thing for this limit here. So x approaches 4 from the right. So the points that we can pick could be like 4.1, 4.01, 4.001, 4.0001. But eventually you will realize that whatever x you pick on the right of 4 is going to make the bottom positive, but very close to 0. And you have the negative number at the top. Negative number divided by a very small positive number will shoot you off to infinity, but with a minus sign. Okay, let me just rewrite that. You can just use a TI-84 to graph -1 over x minus 4. All you're going to do is punch in y1 equals -1 over x minus 4, and you can take your x min, x max, something around 4, like x min could be 3.8 and x max could be 4.2, and graph. And one thing you're going to realize is that on the left of 4, the corresponding function values approach infinity. And on the right of 4, as you see, the corresponding function values get closer and closer to negative infinity. And to see this pattern, you can even choose x min, x max very close to 4, like, I don't know, 3.99 for x min, and then 4.001 for x max. To sort of like condense this graph to the interval 3.99 and 4.001. All right, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.